Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's see how to prove this proposition. Here this proposition says for all x belongs to real number, if for all a belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than 100a, then for all b belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than b. Okay, so whenever we have if then statement, the one that comes after then is our claim. This is what we want to prove. This is our claim and this is what we want to prove. And first of all, we have to take let x belongs to real number, and also we have to assume the first one that comes after if, that is for all a belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than 100a. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue. And also we put b as a as 100 divided by b. Okay, let's put b over 100 because we want this 100 to cancel when we do the multiplication. So b over 100. Now we know that, so let let's b belongs to 0 to infinity. Let b belongs to 0 to infinity. So if b belongs to 0 to infinity, b belongs to 0 to infinity, it means b is a positive number. Right, I'm taking this one from this one because we have to take this one and then do the proof. So b belongs to 0 to infinity, it means b is a positive number because it's between 0 to infinity. So if b is a positive number, it means it's definitely greater than 0. So we can say b is greater than 0. If b is greater than 0, then we can say 0 is less than b over 100 because b is greater than 0. It means b over 100 also greater than 0. Then we can say b over 100 also belongs to 0 to infinity. Okay, now we have this one. The next thing is we are going for a, and we know that for all a belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than 100a. I'm taking this statement, x is less than 100a. And we know that b over 100 belongs to 0 to infinity, and we know that x is less than 100. Instead of a is equal to b over 100. So instead of a, I multiply by b over 100. Let's continue here. So if we multiply, we will get x is less than b. Okay, so from this one we can state that for all b belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than b. That's what we want to prove. We want to prove that for all b belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than b. We prove that one right here, and that's how we do that. If you are thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics and proof questions, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. See you next time.